I absolutely loved like the buzz and the emotion and like the goosebumps. Although maybe wouldn't have looked like it at the time, but probably Kieran maybe would have levelled some question marks around me getting too bored in certain games, you know, against the lesser sides, and like to go from, which was true, and that's probably one regret I have maybe in my career. But when I knew I never got a bigger buzz, maybe in them last.
You needed that kind of the big focus moment kind of thing.
That's it, the clutch moment. Knowing I knew that what was coming. I knew as soon as my name was sprung, I was down warming up. Just that jog back to the dugout, taking the bib off, getting ready for the official to let me in. And look, there's no better feeling in sport knowing that the work that I had done, the teammates that I had around me, and the structures that we had in place that were to get me into a game. It wasn't like we would have had a bit of a motto like you don't go in the game to stand out, you go in to fit in, and that's we try and, you know, relay that to younger players too, rather than coming in, you know, try and, you know, take the limelight and kick scores, and then they're kicking wides and they're actually diminishing their output. But I kind of got that bit of leeway, that flexibility, that just go and do your thing. And like when you're hearing that, we know how the game, how structured it went, but to hear that from your managers, coaches, to just go and do your thing. So how could you not go into that field, you know, confident that you were going to get the boys over the line?